Good, sir. It's really nice to have you here. Thank you for taking out time today.
Pleasure is mine.
So I'm going to start by asking you how this entire situation, how are you handling this situation? How's being at home like nowadays?
I mean, it's tough. It's tough because for someone who's constantly working and someone who wants to constantly work, staying indoors is a problem. But then, that's one way of managing and handling this virus. But day starts normally like it does, and it always did. Begins with yoga, and probably at the end of the day, ends up with a little bit of reading and off to bed. But trying to work from home, trying to do things that are different, trying to help in whatever way we can and whatever way I can and whatever is within my control.
Right, right. So अभी because of the entire situation, अभी सबका focus सबसे ज़्यादा health fitness पर है इस वक्त. You being such a person who promotes fitness and health, and it's not about just having a great body, it's about having a good health these at this point of time. How has that changed? क्योंकि अभी सब लोग घर पे हैं. People are not able to go to the gyms, they're not able to go for a jog. What would you suggest to these people out there?
But the best part is, as far as I'm concerned, I think I'm not. Sorry, I'm at my fittest right now. I'm fittest right now because I'm at my leanest right now. Leanest right now is purely because of the good food that I'm eating. Anyway, 70% of everything and anything in life is food, 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 food. I'm eating hot food. I'm eating on time. I'm eating consciously because I know that I'm not very, very active, through the day, and that is why I eat a little less. I'm a little hungry when I get up. I make sure that after every meal, I take the effort to walk a little bit after my meal, which probably when I was in office I didn't get a chance, or when I was shooting I didn't get a chance to do because you're getting back to work. I train, I skip, I walk, I do my Surya Namaskar, I do my yoga, and use basic weights that I have at home, and TheraBands to push myself. But because my diet is corrected, because I'm eating the right food, because I'm eating hot food, because I'm eating fresh food, it's made a great, great difference to my entire body and the leanness of my body.
Right. With there are different age groups out there जो अलग-अलग तरीके से अपना प्रोटीन लेते हैं. Lot of people are into these protein shakes and supplements. For these people, it's gonna be, I think, a lot more difficult now to handle staying in, not being able to go to gym, and they have to take the protein from vegetables and dal and sabzis. How are they supposed to handle the situation now? Because it's going to be tough for them.
Yeah, but then whether it's milk, whether it's yogurt, whether it's dahi, whether it's soy, whether it's vegetables, your beans and everything, there's a lot of protein. There's a lot of protein in dals. Also remember that you don't need excessive proteins here because you're not training that hard. You're not physically working that hard. If you're not going to the gym, why would you want to take so much protein? Take the right amount of protein. For me, it's 50% carb, 35% protein, and 15% good fat, which is peanut butter or ghee or right amount of oil and stuff like that. So it is very simple. There's no rocket science to it. Understand one thing, you'll be going lean because you're not probably getting that kind of protein. You might lose a little bit of muscle, but that is sometimes okay. So push in your beans more, scruffages more, which means your gut is doing very, very well, and you're rocking. Ask any doctor. I have doctor friends of mine, I have GP friends of mine, and they say, यार चलो कोरोना तो आ गया और लोग घर पे बैठे हुए, लेकिन बीमार भी नहीं गिर रहे हैं. और बीमार इसलिए नहीं गिर रहे क्योंकि घर का खाना खा रहे, गर्म खाना खा रहे, वक्त पे खाना खा रहे, साथ में खाना खा रहे, और टेक अवेज जो है ना, हमारे जो बच्चों को आदत है कि रात को 3 बजे खाना, 4 बजे खाना, वो शायद खा रहे हैं अभी भी, because naturally kids want to connect at night, they play games indoor, but they're eating the right kind of food, and I can see that at home too. Athiya is eating healthy, Ahan is eating healthy, he's looking leaner, he's looking better, because that so-called takeaway is gone away, which means no allergies, no constipation, no acidity, no food poisoning. Doctors are happier. no cold, no cough, because we're all taking care of cold and cough also.
Right.
नहीं यार थोड़ी गर्म पानी पी लो, इसमें अदरक डाल दो, और take turmeric, right amount of turmeric, right amount of what do you say, ghee, and a little bit of honey, and
Right.
have it so that you don't. There's no congestion, there's no cough, gargling with salt water. So, I mean, what are you doing? This is fitness. Fitness is not just about going to the gym or physical training. Physical training is to keep the body, the heart rate managed. Heart rate can be managed according to your age. Yeah, walk, brisk walking at home.
Right.
My mom does 1 hour of walking every day in her own house. And when she's walking, nobody's there in the hall. The servants, all of them, a few of them who are there, the staff is in their own quarters and she's walking alone. Health for my
Right.
mother is even the children not being able to hug her or touch her, or keeping that distance from her because they are the most vulnerable. So that is fitness. Here you have to
Right.
adjust your fitness. You adjusted your fitness thereby adjusting your immunity system. So it's not about अरे यार मेरे body नहीं बन रही है, मेरे को pull-ups करने नहीं मिल रहा, अरे सूर्य नमस्कार कर लो यार, 100 सूर्य नमस्कार कर लो, 100 बार जिम जाओगे, उतनी body कभी बन ही नहीं सकती. So it's got to be simple. We've been taught that gym
Right.
means equipment, gym means anabolic steroids, gym means
Yeah.
protein shakes. No, for all the vegetarian and non-vegetarians, you've got egg. Yeah, you're eating your egg, you're fine. If you're eating chicken, if you're eating fish, you're okay with it. And eat. Your quantities don't have to be too much because your burnout is not so much. It's simple math. 2 plus 2 makes 4. Yeah.
Right, and also this sudden boom of gym sessions and all these protein shakes and everything has come now in last few years. Before that, it was not there. Even as an actor, you guys used to take care of yourself. You guys used to eat better. So I think that is something very important people need to understand right now when they are home and they're eating this kind of food.
Yeah, and I think your boss and your Mr. Mark Manuel will understand better because we come from that school and we ate right and we ate Mark
Of course.
Khana, but we trained hard. So like I
Yes.
said, it's the math. Of course,
Right.
we didn't have chiseled bodies like the boys have today because it's again science that is involved. But I feel I've never been so lean. I've lost around 3.5 kilos. I've got another 3 kilos to go. And if
Wow.
I hit 76 at 5'11", I believe I'm at my peak fitness. And I'm training half probably of what I used to train because I can't train. But then that's okay. That's okay because I'm not that active either through the rest of the day. So I'm eating right and doing good.
Yeah, and right now everyone is at home. So now एक routine बना रहे हैं सब धीरे धीरे करके. But as soon as this lockdown gets over, people are gonna go, with their regular life again. They're gonna go to office. They're gonna go to work. Again, they'll start gymming. But एक वो होता है suddenly लोग अपना एक routine छोड़कर वापस से gym में और वही उसी खाने पीने में लग जाते हैं. How difficult is gonna be that ways then?
I think first of all, itni asani se we're not going to get back to our normal life. Things will change a hell of a lot. A lot of people will be working from home because that's what the situation is. Till the time the vaccine doesn't come, that fear will be there. So we have to change our lifestyles. We should also believe that we have to continue working at home. Less people at the gym, less crowded places, the better it is. So learn about cooking right. Use water as the medium to cook. Learn about Indian spices. Read about Ayurveda. Read about natural healing. And make that a way of life for you. Rather than just protein shakes and where they're coming from, where they are mixed. Imports are not going to be very easy. So where is this coming from? So unless and until you don't know the source and you don't know it's a reliable source, don't get into all this. Keep it simple. Even earlier, we had some great athletes and great sportsmen who ate normal food. So understand what is carb, understand what is complex carb, understand what is protein. You've got geniuses who are out there giving you so much knowledge about what is what. Hear them and take care. And for going forward, I think one of the most important things for us for wellness is going to be mind. Definitely mind over body. So yoga, our ancient art, is something that should be followed, whether it's for a stretch or whether it's to gain strength and flexibility.
Right.
TRX, TheraBands, lightweight dumbbells. basics, pick those up and try and do it at home, because you realize one thing: when you're doing it at home, everybody at home has started realizing that हाँ ना walk करना चाहिए ना, हाँ ना थोड़ा
Right.
तो exercise करना चाहिए ना. तो अब फैमिली जुड़ी गई है, तो फैमिली को आगे भी जुड़ा होना इसमें, क्योंकि ये जल्द खत्म होने वाली बात नहीं है. सरकार
Right.
आपको
Right.
बताएगी कि कब खत्म होगी. The government will tell you and not the Jyotish. Jyotishi का बोलना
Right.
वो नहीं चलेगा. We don't know the impact of the pandemic yet, and we don't know the cure of it either. So let's not assume.
Right.
Let's believe that yes, we are going to go back to our normal lives, but not like it used to be.
Right, that's true. So I know you believe in promoting talent, and with this current situation, I guess सबसे ज्यादा डर किसी को अगर है तो वो लोगों में ये है कि उनका talent waste हो रहा है. Lot of people are sitting at home, they don't know what to do. People who are working from home, yes, they have their own set of duties जो लोग रोज करते हैं अपना काम. But then there's this entire section of the society who's sitting and who's thinking, how are we supposed to fulfill our dreams? And लोग auditions देने निकलते थे, interviews देने निकलते थे. There are filmmakers, there are script writers, there are actors, musicians, sound. So, and we know this new initiative that you have taken, the FTC Short Film Challenge. It's for these people. I would like you to talk about it a little. How you thought about it and what exactly are these people supposed to do?
See, what is going around in everybody's mind is the same. Even Peeping Moon must have thought कि यार हम लोग इंटरव्यूज कैसे लेंगे, लेकिन आप इंटरव्यू ले ही
Right.
रहे हैं. आप लाइव इंटरव्यू ले
Right.
रहे हैं और आसान हो रहा है आपको, क्योंकि मैं भी बात करना चाहता हूँ, लोगों को बताना चाहता हूँ कि मुझ में क्या बीत रही है, और आप में जानना चाहता हूँ कि आप में क्या बीत रही है. So it's very, very important. This will happen. And that is an initiative that we've taken with FTC Shorts Challenge. FTC Shorts Challenge is a challenge where creative people from their very own producer film, director film, write a film, act in a film, shoot a film, edit it and send it. Some of the films that we've got over 370 films in the last 3 days, and the kind of films we've got is unbelievable. Good enough to go on any platform. If there is a shortcoming, maybe because of the edit and maybe because of the background. But if we are going to put it up and help these people, we'll make sure that we will do that and approve it from them and put it up on platforms. So we call FTC Shorts Challenge films by the people, for the people, of the people. And this is one way of me saying, don't panic. Kids who've gone back to their own homes, we are going to make sure that producers, directors come online and put up their requirements online, and you can audition online. Because वैसे भी आपको अभी auditioning itself is going to be a luxury.
Exactly.
It's like social distancing कि भैया मैं 50 आदमी को audition के लिए नहीं बुलाने वाला हूँ, और talent कहीं भी दिखता है. आप में talent है तो आप अगर घर पे शूट करके भेज रहे हो और मुझे दिखाई दे रहा है उसमें कि talent है, तो talent है. And I think हमारे producers, directors वैसे बहुत ही होशियार है. कोशिश यही है कि FTC के प्लेटफॉर्म, FTC टैलेंट के द्वारा ही हम लोगों को encourage करें कि वो इंडिया में शूट करें. See, the shooting pattern is going to change. All producers, I was shooting a film outside of India. I decided that I want to shoot in India because I want to give my India the business. So I'm going to go into a small town. I would go to any other place and shoot there. The minute I go there and shoot, I'm going to use the talent from there. The core talent I will probably, of course, use from the industry. But otherwise, I'm going to use the talent that is available in that area, thereby giving more people an opportunity. If it's Bhopal, if it's Lucknow, if it's Kashmir, if it's Kanyakumari, if it is Surat, I will use talent from there. तो जो 100-200 लोगों को काम नहीं मिलने वाला था क्योंकि ये बम्बई में चलने वाली थी या कहीं और, आपको टैलेंट मिल जाएगा. एंड दैट इज व्हाई वी आर गिविंग दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी. दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई स्टार्टेड 2-3 years ago. I pushed it more during the Me Too times because kids were being troubled. So I eliminate the so-called elements that are there who pull down kids. I think, but now because of this pandemic, it is more so that I need to work on it and do it. Hotels will get an opportunity to put up their hotels and give offers to producers. All logistics will come on to the platform. So anybody connected with the entertainment industry, not only people, but you have a pet and somebody is looking for a pet for a film. If you're available, put his talent up there.
Wow.
So this is that one-stop shop where everybody and everything is going to be available there and help promote. So people need not worry. I know there's a 23% drop already when it comes to jobs, but try, even if we can recover 0.023% of that by giving kids job on the platform. It'll be unreal. You know, me announcing FTC Shots challenge itself has encouraged brands to come forward to give so many prizes. I've never seen so many brands willing to be a part of something, because it's about giving right now. It's not about taking. Everybody is in the mood. चलो यार मैं किसी को खाना खिलाऊं, एक महीने का राशन पहुंचाऊं. So I think brands have also come forward. I've got nearly 30, 35, 40 brands that are up there saying, what do you want us to give? I'm not asking anybody for money. So there's televisions, there are e-cycles, there are music systems, and expensive ones for these winners, you know, who are making films from home. And unbelievable people who are willing to come and judge it. You know, directors from all languages are saying, let them make films in their languages concerned, and I'll do. So suddenly Shots has become so big that I never imagined it myself. And today all I'm trying to do is promote that so that more people come, more people participate and take advantage of this. Because tomorrow, even if it's a brand, I've got I think around 10 or 11 brands that are ready to launch campaigns with people. Digital advertising with people's choice of subjects. You know, they're going to give them the brand name, they're going to give them the tagline and what do they expect, and you make a film from home. So can you imagine there's an ad filmmaker sitting somewhere in Jammu making an ad film for a national brand? Who would give it? You wouldn't have got an opportunity. So with every low comes a high, and this is the high that India will benefit for, going digital. We've already been very digital. We've already got the IIT brains and the IT brains are all in this country. I think it's a great period for India if we look at it positively.
Right. And you know, this answers a lot of questions people were asking us when we told them about the challenge. They were talking about क्या ये challenge किसी एक language में ही करना है, but now you said it's pan India, it can be in any language.
या सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, और जो भाषा में आप फिल्म बनाना चाहते हो आप बनाओ, हम उसको समझ लेंगे, और आप ही के भाषा का कोई डायरेक्टर होगा जो उसे जज करेगा. ज्यूरी तो
And it can be any topic, right? They can choose any topic.
Any topic that keeps you occupied. See, it's a challenge. We've not said FTC Shots only. We said challenge, क्योंकि आपको घर पे बैठना है, आपको मोबाइल पे पिक्चर बनाना है, आपको लिखना भी है, आपको एक्टर्स चूज करना है. या तो अपने घर के एक्टर्स चूज करो, या प्लेटफॉर्म पे जाओ और एक्टर्स चूज कर लो who will work with you from the platform. एडिटर्स आप प्लेटफॉर्म से ले सकते हो, बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक आप प्लेटफॉर्म के किसी म्यूजिशियन से ले सकते हो. तो हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म पे 2.5 लाख बच्चे हैं ऑलरेडी, यू नो, एंड इट्स फ्री. So there's no money, there's no hook involved in it. It's absolutely free for you to upload. We have a part of
Sorry, sir. Yeah.
No, I said we have a part of it that has got education and stuff like that, but that's a basic membership for a year, you know, to keep the platform going, because it's a very expensive tech platform. But as far as these challenges are concerned, jobs are concerned, it's free.
And you know, initiative like this, it's going to change a lot of things right after this particular period. Also, it's not just for this time. It can be used later as well. People will keep on submitting stuff. You will have an access to their ideas and movies. You can reach out to them anytime, as you said. If you shoot पे जाके, it's for them only.
Creative platform है ये creative platform है. तो कोई भी, अगर एक शादी है आपके घर में और आपको एक एंकर की जरूरत है या एमसी की जरूरत है, आप जॉब डाल दीजिए. आप ही के एरिया में, आप जहां भी हो, वहां से एक बच्चा अप्लाई कर लेगा, उसको नौकरी मिल जाएगी. You know, so that is what it's for. The smallest thing. It's for RJs, it's for MCs, it's for you as Peeping Moon. If you want anchors in Tamil Nadu and Chennai, wherever the movie industry is based, Hyderabad, you can get your anchors and things from here. You know, trained people who are there and looking for jobs and in the entertainment business. So it's a focused place for jobs.
I mean, sir, who knew घर पे बैठकर भी we can be so productive. You know, a lot of people say कि घर पे बैठे रहेंगे, खाली बैठे रहेंगे, कोई काम नहीं होगा हमारे पास. But there is so many things a person can do. They can put their ideas together. They can send in their movies. They can do a lot of other good stuff also. This was one thing that I also want to know. You know, the entire day people go on with their regular life, but there comes a saturation time for everyone. Because now everyone is home, and some of the people are with their families, some people are not. You know, they go into depression, they feel a little low. I think there is a time in the day, every day, where you feel that a little low. You're like, okay, I don't know how am I going to get through this. How what do you suggest for those people, how to tackle this thing?
Trust me, as far as India is concerned, it's a wave. It's going to drop and it's going to rise, and it's going to rise really fast. We all know the beauty of our country, democracy, intelligent people, production, everything in production. You just have to start thinking, reading, hear learned men, read from learned people who are speaking, watch interviews, stay motivated, meditate, as to how am I going to fight it? You don't know. None of us know. You don't know. I don't know what is going to happen. I don't know what is in store for me. But I know one thing for a fact, I'm going to ride the wave. I'm going to learn about it. So get technically savvy. Start learning about gizmos, about about the chats and onlining and learn the technical aspects, because that's what people are going to expect. Because if you're going to be working from home, you need to be technically savvy to be able to do that.
Right.
I didn't know how to operate anything. I didn't even know how to operate all this, because I had people to do that and I wasn't focusing on that. But today I've learned,
Right.
Majboori ka naam, like they say, it is, you have to be able to do it.
Right.
So,
Yeah, I mean, learning things and keeping oneself motivated, I think that's the only thing right now that's going to take us forward.
And we are all in the same, we are all in the same boat. Actually, I wouldn't even say we are all in the same boat. We are in different boats, but we are in the same storm.
Right, of course.
तूफान पूरी दुनिया में तूफान मचा रहा है, तो हमारे कश्ती में है. तो now we have to learn how to do that. And if we say that no, we can't, because nobody has a bigger advantage.
Right.
When it comes to the virus, you're as vulnerable as I am. And that service, the man out there doing that service is far more vulnerable. So we are in a better position. So if you're at home, believe that you're in a better position than that man out there, who's a woman out there who's serving you. Whether it's that nurse, whether it's that sweeper out there who's doing all the work, or the doctors out there, the cops out there. So I think we shouldn't be complaining, but be happier that we are in a far, far, far better position than they are.
Right. And so Bollywood is taking a lot of initiative to spread the awareness about the virus. They are helping out a lot of people, a lot of section of the society, but there are still people who are not understanding the seriousness of the situation. What would you like to tell them?
I think it's the poor who are not understanding the situation. You'll have to look at that very, very closely and very sensitively. अमीरों की बीमारी है ये, जो गरीबों में बढ़ गई, और अमीर घर पे बैठे और ये गरीब आपके लिए काम कर रहे हैं. तो कहीं ना कहीं आपको ये याद रखना पड़ेगा कि we need to tell them once, twice, thrice. क्योंकि उनके पास घर है, उनके पास खाना नहीं है, उनके पास जॉब नहीं है, उनके पास पैसे नहीं है, उनके पास फैमिली है और फैमिली घर है, और वो घर भागना चाहते हैं. So for all those people, beg and request कि stay where you are. अफवाहों पे believe मत कीजिएगा. Don't believe the grapevine. But for all those who feel अरे हमको कुछ नहीं होगा, I think उनको होगा और उनको जल्द होगा. और thanks to them, this virus is also is spreading. So Salman said a very good thing. Yeah. गधे बाहर जाते, घोड़े घर स्टेबल में ही है. तो आई थिंक इनको खुद को रुकना और समझना बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि उनके घर में भी बच्चे हैं, माँ बाप है. आप बहुत तुर्रम खान हो गए, लेकिन आपके बच्चे और माँ बाप तो नहीं है ना. तो बी वाइज, लाइक दे से, डिवाइडेड वी स्टैंड and united we fall. So let's stay, when it comes to physical, let's stay divided and be smart.
I think this is the only time when we need to realize कि अपने अपने घर में बैठना इस वक्त कितना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. So I mean, we spoke about talent, we spoke about lifestyle and health. One thing that everyone is very interested to know is how is Bollywood coping up with this lockdown, because everyone is at home, the directors, the actors, the writers, everyone, and now they're doing such great work from home. They're producing music and videos out from home. the work is happening actually. How has this, because initially when we read about it, we knew it has impacted Bollywood a lot because a lot of films shifted, they postponed, the releases stopped. But now I think the work has started again. I mean, if I'm right, like people have started again, working again from home.
Yeah, that's because you can't lock down a creative person, and that's the whole idea of FTC shots. कि आप किसी को lockdown नहीं रख सकते. Creative juices will flow, and they're preparing scripts, they're doing everything. But somewhere down the line, Bollywood would need a lot of help from the people. Bollywood will need a
Right.
lot of help from the government. Understanding is that we entertain people. I pray, and I know for a fact that is possible, that the films that need to be complete, people that have invested money in films should be able to complete their films first. I had a film that we were producing and which was going on the floor in June. But mentally, somewhere down the line, I'm ready to accommodate somebody else if their dates are an issue. And let them finish their film and me get on. Because my investment will start now. Their investment, they've already invested, and they're going to be bleeding. So you expect the RBI, you expect the honorable finance ministers to support us in such times, whether it's the availability of funds or whether it is waiving of interest. Only then will the mid-cap companies and the small-scale companies and industries be able to survive. Otherwise, how are you going to give that benefit down the line? How is that end user, the last man standing in line in our company, going to survive if I'm not going to be able to survive? So there are a few concerns, but finally we'll manage. Yeah, we'll manage. I mean, we'll manage, because when you look at the larger picture, you feel, oh shit, India is the land of opportunity. Whether it's America, whether it's England, whether it's the rest of the world, the superpowers are going to depend on us. Honest people, dependable people, to make products, to manufacture. All we have to remember is we have to be honest, we should deliver on time, and we should not compromise quality. So people with good intentions and good people will benefit a hell of a lot after this.
Right. So I'm quickly gonna read out some comments from your fans and some questions that they have for you. Kapil says, Anna, you look really handsome even at this age. Someone's asking.
I'm only going to be 60 next year. Kapil, I'm not very old. I'm still.
Someone is asking, Milind is asking, hi sir, how to send the profile in this challenge?
It's very easy. Just get on to ftctalent.com, and all the instructions are written like baby instructions, right from acting, shooting, how to shoot a video, how to edit a video. Everything is there. It's baby steps. It's for the first timers. Like I said, it's by the people, for the people, of the people. And an unbelievable and simple challenge. I must tell you one thing. Like I said, we've received over 350 films so far, 370 films. And the quality of some of the films, they are like, wow. Is this the level of creativity we are talking about, people who are at home? And it's a tough challenge because it's on the phone. आप बाहर नहीं जा सकते हो. दोस्तों को एक्टिंग करनी है तो उसके घर से वो उसकी क्लिपिंग करके भेजेगा आपको. लेकिन फिर भी कमाल की फिल्में बन रही है. And it has covered domestic violence, to the virus, to doctors, to humor, to man conning wife saying that, I'm not well and he's in a room quarantined, and funny films, web series of 3 minutes, amazing to be continued journeys. I mean, people are brilliant. And if this is the kind of talent, trust me, in a year's time, you'll have every brand that wants to advertise saying, "Arey yaar, main inko hi use karu yaar." Cost effective, plus so many ideas for the HULs of the country to say, let's do user-generated content. Yeah, it's the people's content, and reality is working anyways big time. So
everyone's looking for authentic content now, something realistic.
Yeah, if I have 100 people, if I like 100 ideas, and 100 ideas are promoting my brand. One of my employees himself, actually my tech head, never made a film in his life, sitting in Surat. His name is Ketan. Goes to this and he says, "Sir, can I take part?" I said, "Of course you can take part. Choose your subject." Now, being Ketan and how he's in love with what we are doing, FTC, because he says, "So we are giving people the power to create something for themselves, and not non-biased at all. We are very clean. We're very clear. So he made a film for his own company, for FTC, and it's
Right.
such a beautiful film that he's made. I was shocked. I said, Ketan, this is something else. So each one can do it for the cause that they believe in. You sit down, you do something for Peeping Moon and what it is, and give a message. I have friends of mine who are making films for pets, for treatment of pets, the joy of having a pet, domestic violence, children and their impact, and the impact on children who go through, who see domestic violence at home. The world is a subject for you, yeah.
Right.
Go ahead and
There are
make it.
so many ideas. There are so many things. Right.
Environment, and I didn't know that people could narrate something in 15 seconds and 3 minutes. I only believed in 2 hour films, but I feel,
Right.
my God, yeah, the message, because a lot is to be understood. It's your mind filling in the blanks also sometimes, So it's really gripping
Right.
and really effective. Very, very nice. So very exciting. So it is very easy. Just go on there and leave it. And for us at FTC, and for me, let me be very clear. There is an award-winning film. There is a very good film, and there's a good film. There's no bad film.
Right.
Because all of you have put in the effort and done something. And at this time, it's the efforts that are being saluted. If we are asking people to sit at home. That is the effort that the government is saluting, because you are helping break that chain. So, Baba, by you making a film and putting it up itself shows that you are occupied, you have helped the system, and you've helped your country. So, hats off. So, we've got none. We are packaging lots, and every film is going to be shown on some platform or the other.
And so a lot of people are asking what will be the time duration of the short film that they are making. Will a 13-minute movie work?
No, we are first aiming for 15 seconds to 3 minutes only, and so that it holds and people can have a watch at it. Then we've got a lot in mind, because I've got a lot of brands that have come to me saying they want to make their brand where kids, whoever does a good job, will be paid professionally.
Right.
And probably as much or more than what they're getting in their jobs today. So, that's something I want to encourage. Create from home, create music, create everything. So right now it's 15 seconds to 3 minutes. And in any language that you believe, even if it's a silent film, trust me, we'll understand your emotions.
So there's this one really nice question. I would really like you to answer this one. Someone is asking a way to have more confidence, because this person, Neha, she says, sir, I can do an awesome acting, but I have a lack of confidence.
But Neha, lack of confidence in acting don't go. Then you're thinking wrong. Because if you're an awesome actor, means you're awesomely confident. And it is only confidence that can make and break an actor. Trust me, don't care about what the world is on camera. Yeah? So why are you scared? Why are you nervous? Don't be nervous. Let go. If you don't like what you've shot, reshoot it. Let it be a monologue, a 15-second monologue, or 30-second monologue, or something that you've written. It doesn't matter. But put it out there, because the world is going to see you. And trust me, every kid who's taking part in this, I will make sure that your films are seen on great platforms, on very good platforms, because we are already talking. But I am being selfish, because I want it on some of the best platforms, so that the world can say, wow, yeah, people ghar baithe. And in the end of it, we will mention this period when the film was shot, so people remember this. And FTC will carry this year after year during this period of the lockdown that has passed. 2020 will not be forgotten. In this period, we'll give you another opportunity next year to make film from your very own home, sitting at home, doing the same thing. So every year you're reminded that, beautifully, how did we find this battle? And then we'll do one where you can go out and do with anywhere, anything, when the lockdown opens, with friends, people together. But I will remind people of this year, because this is a scar that we should wear on our body and show it off after the lockdown, to tell people, see how we helped. And to also understand the hardships that you've gone through. The people who sacrificed for you need to be remembered. The disparity needs to reduce. You need to respect people, and that is why these films mean a lot to me, other than just shots that are being put out.
I think so. आज हमने उस टॉपिक के बारे में बात करी है जो बहुत सारे लोग जानना चाहते थे, I think you are helping a lot of people, a lot of talent in India. And from their side, I'd like to thank you for it because ऐसी बहुत कम opportunities होती हैं जो लोगों को मिलती हैं, and someone like you from Bollywood is actually there and trying to give them a platform. So thank you very much, sir, for that. And thank you so much for this session. I think it was wonderful and I loved talking to you. Everyone here is sending a lot of love to you.
Thank you. Thank you.
They want to see more of you. So sir, thank you so much. Thank you so much again.
Thank you. And for all the guys who can't log on to ftc.com, trust me, even if you send it to Peeping Moon, we'll get it. Because
send it to us, guys. Absolutely.
Yeah, don't worry, we will get it, and you will get the appreciation. And thank you, Peeping Moon and the team, for having me on and spreading the message. Love.
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye. Stay safe.
Bye-bye. Bye.